G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a fantastic lifestyle property, 8 Sandra Barbara Drive in the popular Bayside suburb of East Bowral. As usual, there's plenty to take in. Let's go and take a look around. This wonderful, character-filled home is perfectly positioned on a large elevated 4,965 square metre allotment, offering the tranquility and lifestyle that comes with being only minutes away from the Riverheads boat ramp and ferry services to World Heritage listed K'gari, Fraser Island. You'll be able to launch your boat and access the Great Sandy Straits and Mary and Susan Rivers, which are a fishing, prawning and crabbing paradise. All that, and you had the convenience of being only minutes away from local convenience stores and a short drive to Hervey Bay's thriving CBD with essential amenities, including shopping centres, schools, hospitals, golf course, cafes, restaurants, esplanade and the beach. This architecturally designed steel frame home has been positioned to take advantage of the north-south aspect and capture the prevailing sea breezes. You'll immediately note the expansive covered outdoor entertaining area complete with fire pit located at the front of the home. This is where you'll enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate. Upon entering the home, you'll be drawn to the vast open plan dining and living area with wood fireplace and custom kitchen off to the side. The custom kitchen includes stylish timber cabinetry and a large island preparation bench and walk-in pantry. Appliances include a gas stove with range hood and a dishwasher. There is also a clever media station or study nook off to the side of the entry to accommodate all of today's technology. This home does include 3 spacious bedrooms, all with ceiling fans and built-in wardrobes. The main bedroom includes a ceiling fan, split system air conditioning, a large built-in wardrobe and a lavish ensuite. The bathroom includes a shower and a vanity, and there is a separate toilet as well. The laundry is located to the rear of the carport and offers direct access out to the clothesline. Vehicle accommodation is catered for with a 3x7 metre carport offering covered access into the home. Plus there is that fantastic large shed of approximately 19 by 9 metres with high 3 metre entry and power connected, and you've got carports on each side. There's no town water available to this property, so you've got 2 large, approximately 10,000 gallon plus a 5,000 litre rainwater tank on the home, and an additional 2 5,000 litre rainwater tanks on the shed as well. This property is also on a septic system with a grease trap and grey water system. Homes offering these features are always in high demand, so don't miss this opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.